Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is part 3 of freezing my fidgets. So I have a bowl here, and they're all frozen, so I'm going to go get them out of the freezer. Here they are! After one of them came out. Okay, so now let's do it. So first, I want to do the, actually, no, I want to do the dimple. Alright, ready? So wet. Oh my gosh. It's ice all over it. Alright. Now let's do my simple dimple. That one was bad. They're like both good sides. Okay, so now, actually, we should do, my triple dimple, okay. Oh, I barely could do that one. Fingers, okay, now my poppet. Oh my gosh. Okay, got that one. Now my dimple digits. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my gosh, it's not out in the middle. That's amazing. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna taste them. Oh, good. Bon appetit. My hands are so cold. Oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. So here is all the ice. So here's all the ice. It tastes really good, actually. Okay, I'm just gonna dump it in the sink because there's like nothing. Oh, that's cold. Okay, So guys, that is part 3 of me freezing my fidgets. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It took some time for me to wait. It didn't take a day. It didn't take a day, which is, what is happening? It did not take a day, which is like surprising. It only took like an hour, like an hour and 30 minutes or something. It took like an hour, I think. Like and subscribe, or you don't really have to subscribe, but just like or subscribe. I'd probably do it anyway to freeze my other poppets, and maybe I'll freeze these again, and I'll freeze my another 2 of these, but like one's gone, so it's like literally simple. So what do you think I should do? Yeah. I probably choose to freeze my 2 other poppets, because that will be good. And I really want to freeze I want to freeze my dimple and I really like to freeze this because it'll be like easier. What? This used to be. I hate it when you hold it like this. Let's try this side. What the heck? They're so good. Okay, so I need to dry them off because they're really wet. So comment down below if you think I should do this again. It's very fun. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe because I have 13 or 14 subscribers. And adios amigos. Bye.